My name's Hannah Pearson and I am an activities coordinator here at Cydlynydd Care Home. So from the morning till the afternoon, depending on sort of lunchtimes and things, we do activities that can vary from your arts and crafts to reminiscence therapies to word games, quizzes, armchair exercises and dancing, and as well people obviously have different interests, so personal interests and hobbies, we deal with those as well. Normally we would have days out and we would visit the theatres and have cinema screenings, and people would come in and perform for us. Because of the pandemic, I was made redundant from my previous role. My previous role was as a hotel manager, so I had to come up with something completely different, and I think working in the sector just seemed like something that was quite important and it was part of a bigger picture. I had an art degree a few years ago now in fine art, and ever since completing the degree I never really had a role that utilised it, using my art skills for the benefit of the individuals here, so their well-being and having that art background and using that to improve their lives. I think people don't always realise how important the role is. I get some people saying, "Oh, haven't you got a nice easy job?" And it is a nice job, but it's not easy and it is quite important. So when you think about the well-being of an individual, you usually think about their physical well-being, and yes, that's very important, but their creative and social and emotional well-being is also very important, and that's what my role is for. I would recommend working in social care because you get to meet and work with a lot of different people, so it's part of something bigger. In my previous job I didn't really feel like that, but in this role you're part of something bigger, and it's you're making a difference to people's lives.